Thank you for supporting our channel. Thank you for supporting Wizan. Please like, subscribe, comment and hit the notification bell for any future videos. So let me tell you the difference between Blackfriars Bridge and Southwark Bridge. Southwark Bridge is marginally shorter but far more logical than Blackfriars Bridge from this approach. But the distance wise, it is literally maybe 50 metres in favour of Southwark Bridge. But the real issue here would be, how do you compare them to London Bridge? So where do you draw your split line now? Pause the video and I'll give you a second. So hopefully you got it right. I would draw my split line from King William Street, Monument Street to Harleyford Road, South Lambeth Road, Kennington Lane. And we can clearly see that Blackfriars Bridge and Southwark Bridge routes are not as good as London Bridge. So now we can remove those.